Okay everyone, so I want to record a quick video to explain how to send cross-chain messages. So first we deploy to using Remix, we deploy our target contract. So the Screw Sepolia blockchain. So look at I'm currently on Screw Sepolia, right? So I have compiled the contract already. Compiled it. So on this deploy part, I selected this. So this is my address here. Currently, this is my address. It's there. So I deploy. Once I deploy, my contract will be shown down here. Deploy. Come here and I confirm. Go back. So this is my deployments down here. So I go to Sepolia. The scroll scan, right? Then search for my contracts. Then what I want to do now is verify the contracts. It's the contract address, the compiler, single file, compiler version. We can come here, look at the specific compiler version 0.8.24. Source license is MIT. Source continue. At this point, we enter the source code. So just copy all this. Copy. Paste it here. Nothing else is needed. Verify this. So that's my next work. Taking a bit of time. It should be faster, the network is better. So successfully generated bytecode and API for contract address. So it has been verified. This is the contract address. I just click on it and I can see that it has been verified. And I can read my contracts here. Currently, in this contract, what we have is hello world. I want to change it to a new message. So yeah, now I want to deploy my other contracts to this Sepolia blockchain. The other one was deployed to Screw Sepolia. So I'll deploy this to Sepolia. First I compile it. Compilation successful. Come here and change my network to Sepolia. And this should change. So it has changed to Sepolia. Then I deploy to Sepolia. I confirm. Greater operator has been deployed. So now it has been deployed. Then so you can copy these contract addresses somewhere to keep them. Well, since I'm inputting them in this Explorer, I decided not to save them. but it's safer to do that. It's safer to save them. I come to contracts. I come to verify and publish. Compiler type, single file. Compiler version. If we are using the latest compiler, yes. And open source license is MIT. Continue. And the catch is I have to flatten this file because we are importing another file. Alright, so I right click and flatten. So what I'll do is I'll take the flattened file. It's the flattened file I'm going to use to verify it. Come down here, set in, fill in the captcha. And verify and publish. So I go back to my address page and I can see that the contract has been verified. So what we want to do is send a message using this function, right? So amount of ether will be 0.01. Scroll messenger address. I'm sending a message from L1. So if you deploy the greater operator contract on L1, you use this as your scroll messenger address. So you copy it and put it there. And then the target is the greater. So you copy this. So I put it there. 1 is 0. And the string you want to use is what now? This message was cross-check. This message was cross-check. Gas limit will be a certain value recommended. Can be around this. This is good. Now we write. First, we need to connect to Web3. Sorry about that. I forgot to do that first. So now we write. Confirm. Go back. So when our transaction is successful, we have to wait for about 20 minutes to be able to see the message on the greater address. Just need our transaction to be confirmed. Click this. Suspecting. So it has not been confirmed yet. Okay, looks like our transaction has gone through. Right, it's supposed to bring up a pop-up, but it didn't. But then it looks like our transaction went through anyway. Yep, it did. Execute function, cross-chain. So but if we go to the greater address and we try to look at our string, excuse me, we see that our string is still the same. Right, so we're going to have to wait for a few minutes to get a different value here. So now we wait. Okay, everyone, so we are back. Let's refresh this. So as you can see, this has changed. So we've been able to send a cross-chain message. Right, now the next step is to do this the other way. So we are going to deploy our greeter. We are going to send a message from L2, which is scroll, to L1, which is sepulchre in our case.